Here is Hannaford app, shopping app. So enjoy all the features of online shopping with Hannaford to go and easily access my Hannaford rewards and personalized offers. One app for online and in-store shopping. Shop Hannaford to go right from the app manager. My Hannaford rewards, view the weekly fly and quickly add items to your shopping list or cart. Use your recent purchases to make Hannaford to go shopping easier. Browse and add items to your order from our special. Find a Hannaford near you with our store locator. And then you can just tap get to install it. So just double click to install it. And this is just what you have. Earn 2% rewards on store brands and get personalized coupon offers. This is like if you're using this brand, definitely recommend you to install the app because there are app only rewards. All right, and it's only you can use it from US, but this is just for you to know, like if you're shopping, just always try out the app because in many brands there are app only rewards, meaning this reward exists only in mobile app, Android or iOS. They don't exist on the website, they don't exist physically in the store. And this way they just market their app, but who cares? You're just getting like 5-10% discount. You can get some gift codes, deals, app only. So just install the app and save some money.